Yes, baby. Baby, what is this? It's a wagon.
Where is it?
It's in the box. Today we are going to unbox this wagon we bought from Costco for $70, which is kind of like a budget hack version of them fancy toddler wagons. So let's see if this works. I believe this has no cushion on the bottom, but I'm gonna open up the box and see what we can figure out. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. So this is how the wagon folds up, really small, and then it expands into a wagon. The only thing is the padding. I don't think there is one, and there also is no sun shield, but we can figure out a way to make this work, especially for the price, because those real toddler wagons are like, they can go up to $1,000 or even over. So let's take a look at the back of the box here. It looks the same as the front of the box, it seems. That's Evan. He's really excited to try his wagon. He loves when other kids have that fancy wagon. He likes to sit in it, so let's see. But he's kind of like, doesn't really need one, but sometimes if we go like to the zoo or something, he can't walk that long, so this should come in handy. Okay, so
Wait. I thought I go around. I thought the spider around me. I saw the fly again. Oh, you saw the fly again? Oh, I meant like flying around me. Oh. We got this. You can't wait to go around. What happened to these two wheels? And I don't know. My cargo. This is your cargo. I saw the fire going around me.
Where?
Oh, what you put the wagon?
oh wow.
Where you put the wagon?
Oh, it actually has a cushion in the bottom. Very nice. That's so cool.
Yeah, hold on, not yet. Why do you put the wagon?
So excited. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how this actually opens up. So it comes out of a box like this. I just took off some of the protective wrapping. Careful, baby. So first off, there is a handle here, but there's Velcro handles here that keep it together. And then there is also a buckle here. You can just unsnap, and then it will expand on its own into a wagon. Push this down. It is slightly padded, so that's pretty good. And then to fold it back up, you just pull this up and it'll fold back up. Other than that, gravity keeps it down. Has sturdy metal frame, and there is a latch here that you just open to pull up, and then you hold this up while you latch that for height. Alright, baby, you can get in. Can you get in by yourself? And this wagon holds up to 300 pounds. Is it comfortable on the bottom? Yeah, and yeah, I was worried about the padding on the bottom, but it does have like two little pads here, and only the crease is not padded in the middle. So you could add like a blanket or a pillow, and yeah, pretty good. This is like Max Sports, I believe is the brand. It has this tag of stuff. And baby, can you lay down? Can you lay all the way down? Careful of your head though. Wow, so you could even sleep in this if you're tired. Wow. All right. Comfortable?
Yeah, it's for a ride.
Oh, take you for a ride. Hold on, let me finish showing people what this wagon comes with, okay? So like I said, it has a really sturdy metal frame. Sorry. And it has this little like pocket here. And also a mesh cover. Just disclaimer, this is not necessarily made for kids. It's actually just a wagon to haul stuff in, but it works just the same. I'm going to open up this cover and see just how it covers. I think it just covers the top of the wagon so nothing falls off is what my husband said. But we'll find a way to hack it to make it work. Okay, so I showed you how to extend the handle up. And I was looking at the hand and I was like, I wonder if it moves out. It does. There are two buttons here on the side. You kind of have to push to release the wagon handle, and then it becomes like a traditional wagon. So cool. This is definitely worth. Okay, I'm pulling you. Oops, I'm not very good at aiming. There we go. Oh, pushing forward is not bad either. It's pretty smooth. Not too bad.
Push forward.
Okay.
Push forward.
I'm trying to.
Like this.
Oh, okay. Push forward. Okay.
Like this.
But yeah, anyways, I thought I'd share because this is like a much more budget-friendly alternative than those fancy name brand wagons with all the accessories that they sell a la carte. It can really add up to a lot of money. So yep, and it's super more compact as well. The only downside would be I don't know if they sell accessories for this wagon. You see, I could just snap it back into place there. That was cool. But the wheels are not rubber. They're like a thick plastic. That's the only thing. And yeah, but it's perfect for our needs, and maybe it's for you too. Also, they have little drink holders. Oh, careful. There's little drink holders here. So you can put your drinks here. And then on this side is where we have another mesh net for other things like food, snacks, this this net to hold secure things in. And my husband just told me they sell an umbrella attachment, so your kids will have a little shade from the sun. So yeah, super cool. Okay, so I just put a little fleece blanket on the bottom to add some extra cushion. I mean, it's comfortable on the bottom, but I don't think long term, if he's sitting in it or laying down, it'll be very comfortable for long. So yeah, does it feel better, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Come on, hold on.
Mommy's too big.
But you're still on the whole floor.
Oh, okay. We had this little like tent thingy, which is like the new range where like kids can put on their bed or whatever, and I thought it'd make a great canopy for the wagon, which it does.
Mommy,
Here,
I'm
let's
going
take
to
a
the
look.
moon myself.
Oh yeah, so this is a good sun shield,
Going to the moon.
and it's awesome. And it's a little portable tent. So cool. I'll try to put the link for the tent and the wagon, if possible, on Amazon if they have it. If not, the wagon is from Costco, and this tent was a present for his birthday from my mom. I believe I've seen it on Amazon before though, so I will try to put the link down below. But yeah, this is just an alternative idea if you want to save money on a wagon that your kid will eventually outgrow. And yeah, let's take a look inside. Hi. Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say thanks for watching.